Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Myself Prabhu. Today I am going to act. Today we are going to act same story in every house, and I'm gonna act as a husband, and she is going to act as a wife, and ma'am is going to act as a mother. And I hope you will enjoy. Let us start.
स्वये श्रीराम प्रभु ऐकती कुशलव रामायण गाती कुशलव रामायण गाती. Oh, today there is Ram Navami and I am sitting alone here. My daughter-in-law has gone to the office. My son has gone to the office. What the use of daughter-in-law? I'll call to my friend. Hello. Hello Asha. How are you? What are you doing? Oh, you are enjoying. Oh, very good, very good. What? What your daughter-in-law is doing? She is making rasgulle. Rasmalai. Oh, for what? Oh, there is Ram Navami. Yeah. She is not working. Your daughter-in-law is not working. She is working. Then too, she is doing all these things. You are very lucky, Baba. She, my daughter-in-law. She don't know anything. She is not doing anything in the house. In the morning at 6 o'clock, she wake up. And I prepare tiffin for her. I gave it to her. Then she go to the office, and when she will come back, she is coming back at 10 o'clock. And what she will do? Nothing. I have to do all work. What can I do?
Oh, today I am too much tired. Mom, can you please give me water?
Acha, Asha. Okay, bye. I'll call you later.
Mom, please cut the call and please give me water. I am thirsty.
You are
Just now only
thirsty?
I came.
Yeah, you have came, but what you are doing? You are coming from office. I am your mother-in-law, and you are ordering me.
So,
Is it?
just now only I came. I am very thirsty. That's why I am asking you.
But you should not order me, na? You just go and take yourself.
This is your daily. You always taunts me because
This
of
is my daily.
yes,
what
because
are yours?
your behavior is very rude and you always do this and why are you giving me these types of tones?
Arre,
I'm doing for
what-
our home
what
only,
I
na?
did? What I have done? I have done nothing. You don't give me order. See my friend's daughter-in-law. She
But
is doing
you also
everything
understand
in the
that just now only I came here from the office and I just simply asked you that please give me some glass of water but you ignored
No,
me.
it's not a problem of glass of water. But
So what is the problem?
What is the problem is you are coming from office. You should take yourself. I am also doing all work. I am doing from morning to evening.
So what
And
do you mean that I don't work in the office? I have also lots of work and there is lots of pressure of boss.
Yeah, I can
So-
understand. But you are coming and going order to me. Okay. Today I am giving you, but next time you
No,
remember.
just don't give me. I will take. I have hands.
Then no problem. You go and take yourself. All the time, always you are doing like this. I don't like it really. You are my daughter-in-law, no? And I am your mother-in-law. What you are doing this?
Ding dong.
Go and open the door.
See, Prabhu,
Bye.
your mom always taunts me.
What happened again?
She is fighting with me
You ask
regularly.
your wife
When-
only. What's
No,
this?
just ask your mom because she is very close to you, na?
See,
Who am I to
she
you?
has
Stop,
behavior.
stop,
She
stop.
has behavior.
Stop.
Why
Why are
she
you
is
call-
talking with me?
Why are you calling each other?
Always,
Mom.
always she is coming from the office. Mom, I'm very thirsty. Mom, I'm very tired. Give me a glass of water. I should order me.
What is this, Gargi? You are ordering my mom. Don't you know she is my mom and she is
You
not
don't know
very.
I am your wife.
Yes, you are my wife, but you should know. You should respect her.
Arey, but you should understand. Just now only I came from the office and I am
That
very
is okay.
tired.
That is okay, but
So
you should
simply
know.
ask.
You should not forget.
But this is not the point.
I
She
am
always
good,
taunts
I am
me
not
because
good.
of the
I am
society.
good. everything,
Calm
all
down.
days
Calm
I am
down. I will explain her.
But the,
Gargi,
see, Prabhu,
Gargi,
just listen to me. This
Yes,
is not
sir.
the point. She always taunts me because of my dressing style, because of late coming
Yeah.
to home. Why, but why?
Of
Why
course.
she is listening to
See
others?
her dressing style, everything. She is busy in her work only.
Let me say her.
Even then,
You-
I
you
also
stop.
do job.
Yes, mom, I can understand. Just relax.
I was doing
You
job.
sit,
That
you
time
sit,
I
you
was
sit,
not like her.
You sit.
You tell her.
Gargi,
Because that era is different and this
Stop!
is modern.
stop! I said stop. You know very well. She is doing everything for us. We go to office, we come late. You should know. You should understand her
Prabhu,
feelings.
don't shout her.
No, but mom,
Don't shout
it is
her.
every time.
I will
We-
do everything for her, but she is behaving. How she is behaving?
Gargi, you
I
should
know.
you should respect her.
Yeah, I'm
She
respecting
never
her.
respect me.
I always
And I
respect
don't
you.
like this whatever attire she is
Mom,
doing now.
mom,
But
please,
why
please,
can't she
please,
change
let
her
me- let
mentality?
me-
See
let
my
me-
see
let me
my
say.
my friends
Why should I-
daughter-in-law.
first
she
thing
wear
you
a
should-
sari.
you should stop
you
thinking
know that
about
today
others.
there is
Mom.
Ram Navami.
Yes,
At
mom.
least in this today also he
But
should.
who
she
wears
should wear-
sari in their office, mom?
So many girls are going with sari in
No.
festival. Only in festival. I didn't tell you. I don't tell you that you always you wear sari and go to the office. I know. I
Wow.
also did a job. But in the festival,
But this is
at least in
modern
festival,
generation.
you should.
Mom.
We should change our mentality. We can't
Mom,
always go
come.
with
I am not like old sasumas were there. I am also going to with your young generation. I will understand you, but there should be mutual understanding.
Shall I go?
You don't
You
understand
correct.
me.
Shall I go?
No.
No, don't go.
Listen, mom.
Okay.
Now come to the 19s. We are in 20. You are
I-
thinking about 19s. Now
That's the
generation has
point I'm
changed. Mom,
I
let
am
her
not
wear
thinking
whatever
like
she
that.
want. Now the
What I told
generation
you,
is
Prabhu,
different,
what I
mom.
am telling her.
Everyone is not like same.
Yeah, I got
I
your
know,
point.
I know very well. You know better than me. But her choice is very what. Let her wear whatever she want.
I didn't tell that. Let her wear whatever she want, but only in
Every
festival
every
she should
time.
wear sari.
Yes,
you tell
mom,
her
but-
na. There are so many ladies. They wearing saris and going to office in
But-
festival time.
But
Not
why are you
always.
thinking about others? Think about our home. Think about her.
We are
think
not
about
going
me.
to feed you. We are going to feed you and we are going to support you.
Even then, you will be like
No.
this. with-
Received 1,700 rupees on Google Pay for business.
Beta, I don't want to quarrel with you. You are just like my daughter only.
Yes.
I can understand, but you should understand, Meena. Why you are quarreling like this?
Okay. After this, I will always in some festivals I will wear sari.
Good, good.
Okay.
I want that
And
only.
sorry for
No,
disrespecting.
it's okay, beta.
And I want to tell you, Gargi, please try to understand. Day before yesterday, you are saying that we should leave our mom. That was wrong, really wrong. We should not take decision like this. She is my mother. She can't live alone.
I got
And you were
frustrated at that
no,
time.
no.
That's
You
why
should
I just
understand. You
told.
should understand. You should not quarrel every time. You were saying that we should leave our mom and we should purchase another
That
hour
time
and
I
we will.
frustrated and I got angry.
Yes, I know,
And-
but you should understand your.
Yes, I know what is my fault and I will.
Let it be. Now we will stop over here. I have done Puran Poli for both of you. Okay?
Thank
You
Yes.
like it, no? That's why I
Yes.
prepared for you.
Let me explain her something. You bring.
Puran
I want to
Poli.
Yeah.
talk her.
Yeah, I understand.
Do you know? She is my mom, and she is doing for everything. She is doing everything for us, and you should not do like this. You know, people are thinking wrong about her, and you are wearing like this. I know your fashion is this, but you should know. I know you are not thinking about people. It is. I know your nature very well, but you should means you follow my mother's instruction.
Yes, I will follow. Definitely, I will going to follow. But this is my choice. I can't. I can't change my choice. Cause everyone has the power, or everyone has the right to wear something.
Yes, I can understand. You
Why
wear, you
we
wear.
were
I don't.
listening
I'm
others?
not saying that you should not wear this. You should not wear this. You wear whatever you want. But in a festival,
Festivals.
you should know. You should know what should I wear. You know, she wants. You should have one sari, and you are wearing this.
Okay, in festival, I will surely wear the sari. And I know it's my fault that today I came and directly shouted on mom. It's very totally wrong. Sorry for that.
If I am calling your mother, will you feel happy or will you
No,
feel?
I will feel very sad that how
Then-
can we talk about my mom. Sorry.
So now stop here quarreling each other. Now let's celebrate Ram Navami. Mom, bring Puram Puri.
Yeah, you are ready to eat?
Yes.
Come on, then now let's celebrate. Take kargi, take
You
prabhu.
also take one bite.
Nice.
Thank
It's
you.
tasty. Oh. Yes. Now we are. Yes.